I'ma pour a little liquor. I'ma pour a little liquor for the family that's passed. I'ma pour a little liquor for these good times won't last. I'ma pour a little liquor. This time's gonna flash. Pour a little liquor. These candles burn to ash. At last, the money burns fast, disappearing as fast as the shadows you cast. Shade, home of the brave, where the adolescents learn to behave from the parents, disappointing them, disrespecting their grandparents. On the other side of the fence, or the other side of the tree, chalk the outline, washed away by the street sweepers, while the souls meet the dream keeper. While standing in line of light, scanning through the parts of their life in the blink. One by one, as they cast into the lake by the gatekeep, they tremble and shake in defeat as their knees grow weak. Candles get burned by the family that got killed by the reckless street. Shaking and trembling in defeat as the shaking and trembling in defeat, your knees grow weak, the candles burn as the past. Pour a little liquor for the family that's passed. I'ma pour a little liquor. These good times won't last. I'ma pour a little liquor. This life's gone in a flash. Pour a little liquor as these burns burn to ash. Pour a little liquor for the family that's passed. Pour a little liquor. This life don't last. Pour a little liquor as these candles burn to ash. Pour a little liquor. Ashes to ash, dust to dust, may I bust. Only in God I could trust. I thrust my mighty sword inside of the serpent's loins. I'm on my own, I'm handing on my feet, standing on my feet. I act like weak, but I hold against my own demise. Self-defeat, self-doubt holds the deflection. So you need to wash away the weak so you can be ascension to a level where you need to be. Open your eyes and never realize that you're selling yourself short to the greed. Spark, let me go ahead and hit the mark as I embark out on this world of talk. As a world I stop. Start, never stop. I always stick to humble, stick to the mumble. I speak, never stumble. Open your mouth and speak clear loudly. I just speak the flow, open up, I see things a little clearly. Wonder what it would be if you just got rid of all your self-defeat. I'm speaking to the spirits and the souls inside of the weak. I wonder if you rise to your feet. If you see me, would you best believe as we split the seas? I just want you to believe everything you see is a lie. Just caught the demise, caught by Hollywood is made out of the wrong wood, so don't get caught inside of the hocus pocus. You got lost in it. I just say I'm really with it, committed. Open my eyes, I just realize the sin that I've been living. But I'm always ready to get sit back, washed, and repent for my sins. God bless me, for I hold the light within, let it shine. I realize my life carbon to crystallize. Wisdom's the words, wonder if you could use it. It's absurd if you really didn't. Let me go ahead and show it to a light I'm open mind to.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Yeah, so it's clean.
So do you hear yourself better?
Yeah.